The Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering is equipped with the state-of-the-art experimental setup to perform experiments over and above the curriculum and computational facilities. The lab facilities are upgraded from time to time and provide adequate opportunities for students to develop innovative ideas. Electronic Devices and Circuits Lab is offered to second-year BTech ECE students, and it is specially designed for the students to observe the characteristics of various electronic devices. This lab is well provided with equipment like cathode ray oscilloscopes, digital oscilloscopes, regulated DC power supplies, function generators, and analog digital meters of a wide range. This lab gives practical observation on different basic applications of electronic devices, gives a good foundation on electronic devices to the students in the initial years. At the end of the semester, the student will handle any basic level electronic circuits. We also encourage students to take mini projects by providing them with the required components. Electronic Circuit Analysis Lab is offered to BTech second-year ECE students, and it is specially developed for the students to analyze various amplifier circuits, oscillators, and power amplifiers. This lab is well provided with equipment like cathode ray oscilloscopes, regulated DC power supplies, function generators, decade capacitance box, and analog digital meters of a wide range. This gives a good foundation on analysis of electronic circuits with the help of hardware and software. Analog and Digital Communications Lab. The Communications Lab presently serves to give the ECE students a laboratory experience in analog and digital communication system. The concepts of all types of modulation and demodulation can be studied. The recent communication techniques can be demonstrated with available equipment. Students conduct experiments in Communication Lab where they become acquainted with oscilloscopes, signal generators, and spectrum analyzers. Pulse and Digital Circuits Lab. This lab is specially designed and developed for the students to observe the characteristics of various electronic circuits that use linear and non-linear components. This lab is well provided with equipment like cathode ray oscilloscopes, digital oscilloscopes, function generators, IC testers, and digital multimeters. This lab gives practical observation and response of electronic circuits that uses different devices. This gives a good foundation to students to get exposure on the functional characteristics and response of electronic devices. At the end of the lab course, the student will be able to handle any electronic circuit and apply its application in designing digital circuits. Linear Integrated Circuits and Applications Lab. This lab provides the practical knowledge on operational amplifier applications like arithmetic circuits, filters, and oscillators. Also provides knowledge on IC 555 timer and IC 723 regulators. Digital IC Applications Lab offered to BTech third-year ECE students, and it is specially designed and developed for modeling of combinational and sequential logic circuits using VHDL or Verilog, and implementation of digital circuits on Xilinx FPGAs. The lab is well provided with equipment Xilinx ISC System Edition 14.7 Advanced Z20 development boards. This lab gives a practical observation on design of CMOS logic gates using PySex schematic editor and digital system implementation on advanced Zinc boards. Digital Signal Processing Lab is offered for ECE BTech programs. It is very important in academic curriculum for students to understand response of the systems for various signals in time domain and frequency domain. The objective of this laboratory is to study the signals and systems in real-time applications. This lab is well equipped with advanced software and hardware equipment to extract the valued information from signals in the fields of image processing and communications. Microprocessors and Microcontrollers Lab. The Microprocessors and Controllers Lab is a key programming language and hardware laboratory for BTech ECE students, and it is specially designed and developed for the students to give knowledge and practical exposure on 8086 processors and 8051 controllers. It provides intensive practical exposure in the fields of microprocessors and controllers. This lab supports interfacing the microprocessor and microcontroller with peripherals like LED displays, keyboards, DIAC, ADC, stepper motors, other devices, and practical experiments. Microwave and Optical Communication Lab offered to BTech ECE students and concentrates on introducing the advances in communications. This lab is well equipped with all the microwave devices. The laboratory conducts practical sessions to enable the students to implement their theoretical knowledge and observe the practical results. Lab deals with the measurements of the signals at microwave frequency range. It involves measurement of frequency, wavelength, VSWR, impedance and scattering parameters of various microwave devices like circulator, direction coupler, magic T, even the latest trend of communication technology, that is, fiber optics, is also introduced, and propagation conditions will be verified by evaluating the losses. Very large scale integration design lab is offered to BTech ECE students, and it is specially designed and developed for the students to learn about modeling of CMOS logic circuits like combinational and sequential logic circuits, analog amplifiers using Mentor Graphics tools. This lab is well provided with Mentor Graphics backend tools for circuit level modeling using PySix schematic editor, layout editor, Calibre for verification. This lab gives practical observation on design of different basic analog IC blocks from schematic to layout. This gives a good foundation on analog IC design